Welcome back to the Chief Life Kitchen. I'm Stacey Turner and today I'm going to be showing you pumpkin spice protein balls, another sweet treat without the sugar spike. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Vanilla protein powder, pre-roasted pumpkin, dates, cashews, allspice, nutmeg, and water. Pop your pre-roasted pumpkin into the food processor with the dates, protein powder, and cashews. Add in your spices and only a little bit of water to begin. Lock the food processor and set it to high and allow the mixture to mix through thoroughly. And you know when it's done when it bulks together like this into a nice big doughy ball. Check it out. So good. Grab a baking tray lined with baking paper and roll the dough into golf ball-sized balls. Continue to do this until you have 12 evenly sized balls. Chuck them in the freezer to make sure you don't eat them all at once. Enjoy these pumpkin spice protein balls, perfect for those winter months.